So back to school season is here, and the right tech can make a busy school year a whole lot easier.
That's right. From great laptop deals to smart everyday essentials, there's plenty to help you stay organized and connected.
Kurt Knutsson, the CyberGuy, and our friend. He's here with his top picks for the year.
We're already there. We're going back to school.
All right.
Good morning, team.
Pencil and
have your pencil. That's all you need. It's sharpened. It's ready. Number two. We go. All right. Best laptop of the year. The lowest cost, great laptop. We saw these come out earlier in the year. It's the MacBook Neo from Apple. Incredible. Great color array. You can get blush. You get indigo. And we found it for less than Apple selling it for $689.
Wow.
We put that at cyberguy.com. And then if you're not a Mac person, you got the Dell XPS 13. This is the answer to this that Dell did. So same price point, roughly $699.99. You're getting a great laptop. It's got an Intel processor inside. This has a great processor inside. Great for school. But no matter what laptop, whether it's new, whether it's old, you want your kids protected. So this is Norton AntiVirus Plus, it's 58% off exclusively at cyberguy.com. So for one device, it's going to be $24.99 per year, or $34.99 covers 5 devices. I always say go big with that. And when there's ever family offers in security and privacy products, go for the family. It's a lot more economical. But you wouldn't let your kid go out the door without a backpack. Don't let them go out the door with a laptop. $21 billion lost last year in scams online.
You mean without the antivirus?
Well, with and without. So, I mean, you just want to have that layered protection. We don't know who lost it for what reason. We just know it all happened through the online world. What we know is the bad guys are coming after us. It's up 26%. We want to be covered. Now, everything we've got so far fits into the most incredible backpack I have ever had.
Why is it so great?
This guy who invented this is called the Knack bag, and this is the Small Series 2. They have sort of small, medium, and large. This is perfect for school, and what makes this great is the idea of his invention was you don't need all these bags. You don't need a gym bag. You don't need an overnight bag. You don't need this backpack. So you put your clothes in here and see how it's like it expands that section. Get your books in here. It fits up to a 16-inch laptop right there. And then all your other little essential snacks, chargers. It is great for back to school, and it's also just great for travel. I use this larger version, and I check into a hotel, and they'll be like, where's your bag? You have no luggage? No, I got it. I got it all right there. So this, by the way, we have an exclusive deal. That's just $225. And it is, they're throwing in a free...
The backpack is $225?
Yeah, and worth every penny. And this, by the way, there's a there's a free expandable cube that they're throwing in just for Fox and Friends. So
not buying that.
Now this, amazing. So this goes into the bottom of the backpack, and your kids never need to plug in anywhere where they go, and it's got the charging cables inside. This is a power bank from Anker. It's called the Power Bank 25. It's made for laptops. It's made to plug in all your gear.
Can you take it on an airplane?
It is TSA approved, and it is in the U.S. It's better.
Okay, what's
And then we have this for safety and security. As you know, that's a big focus of mine. She's Birdie was $34.95, exclusively discounted. Pull that out, pull the ring.
All right.
And this is what you do when you're in trouble.
Nice.
Press it back in.
Like for girls who are walking alone
It's for
between
anybody,
classes?
small children, if you're a single female at college. CyberGuy.com exclusive offers are there. Or if they're for a limited time and while supplies last, I have to tell you, because oftentimes
look what it
things
says here. Carry this with you, make your mama happy. I agree with this. Great marketing.
Kurt, thank you very much.
Good to see you
can
guys.
see this at kurtcyberguy.com.